Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best RV cabinet latches in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is QEDT Cabinet Magnet Latch. This cabinet latch is one of the top RV cabinet latches available in the market that comes with a simple mechanism. This is a magnetic touch catch that can help to keep the cupboards, drawers, and cabinet doors shut. The strong magnetic force of this latch keeps the shutters in place. So you can stay assured that even in the bumpy drive, your cabinets will not open on their own. This cabinet magnetic latch has a reliable mechanism for keeping all the household doors and cabinets closed securely. The use of high-quality magnets for door closure can easily replace the complex closure mechanisms. It is available in brown catch with a steel metal plate that helps to keep all your doors in place. You would not require calling your local mechanic for installation as the package includes everything you need. You can easily install it wherever you require with a screwdriver. The high-end quality magnets go through several inspections. Even when the magnetic door latch is manufactured with plastic, it offers unmatched durability. This compact and beautiful structure is a great choice to ensure a secure cabinet. Number 2. Our second best pick is ACIMONE 8-pack Cabinet Door Latch. This cabinet door latch is the perfect choice if you are looking for a great quality latch for your use. Made with robust materials and adhering to quality control, this brand provides some of the best quality RV cabinet latches. In addition, these latches have been designed in a manner to quickly stop the drawers from opening while moving through bumpy roads. Included with great OEM replacement helps to replace worn out, broken, and old latches easily. This drawer latch has been designed so that it can easily suit a different range of usage. It can be used on screen doors of RVs, sliding doors, drawers, cabinets, and several other places. You can stay assured that your pets or child will not be able to open the drawers easily. The fantastic locking system enables you to use it and remain assured that all your essentials are safe inside the drawer. These latches have been tested on a range of offices, RV, and home drawers more than 1,000 times. The durable and sturdy build of these RV cabinet latches and catches makes them the perfect choice for your RV. The use of ABS plastic provides improved durability and strength. It can easily hold a gallon of water weight. You can stay assured about the quality and can save your money by choosing this 100% quality assured RV cabinet latch. Number 3. Our third best pick is Camper Van 4-pack push catch latch. This latch is a perfect choice for an RV cabinet as it has a super locking mechanism. This fantastic RV cabinet large has been manufactured to ensure easy installation and operation. In addition, it makes sure to keep the doors on your RV closed while you are on a bumpy ride. With the ability to handle 5 pounds of pull force, this catch can easily keep your doors closed irrespective of the force applied. Keeping in mind about the installation, this cabinet includes all the mounting hardware that makes it easy to install. It fits on every RV and travel trailer. With that easy installation, it becomes easy to replace the catches when broken or worn out. However, you can stay assured that these latches have long-term durability compared to others. The use of high-quality ABS on these products makes them an all-weather choice. This can easily take the forces given to them along with the weather impact. Once you install this high-quality ABS RV cabinet latch, you can worry less about your cabinet security. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Top Knob Grabber Catches. These are premium quality drawer and cabinet latches that can be used in your bathroom, RV, office, kitchen, and several other areas. It is designed in a way to ensure complete safety. It can easily solve the problem of drawers popping up while moving on bumpy roads in your RV. Besides, if you have pets and kids that keep opening your cabinets or drawers, this high-end latch is a must in your home or RV. It is a versatile and multi-purpose latch that can provide a sturdy feel to your cabinet. opening up the cabinets or drawers while driving in your RV can increase the risk of broken latches. You can effectively get rid of such problems using a high-quality cabinet latch. It does not have any keys or magnets, as a simple switch push will open the cabinets. Keeping in mind the need for high-quality material, this cabinet latch is manufactured with high-impact and robust ABS material. This makes it a strong latch that can keep your doors closed. It has the ability to take a pull force of 10 pounds. You can be sure that your cabinets will not open automatically anymore. It is also tested on several home drawers, offices, and RVs more than 1,000 times. The cabinet latches have been manufactured to give strength to your cabinet. However, it requires hardware installation where you have to use mounting brackets and screws to get it installed. The long-lasting durability and quality of this versatile cabinet latch make it a premium quality choice for your RV, home, or office. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Urizen Cabinet Door Latch/RV Drawer Latch. This RV drawer latch is a great quality product that is designed to stop drawers from opening up automatically. The door latch can be the perfect choice for your RV cabinets and drawers. In addition, it can become an excellent replacement for your broken cabinet latch. The design ensures no more automatically opening up and no squeaking after properly being installed. It is manufactured with high-quality ABS material that can easily take up any range of force. It keeps all your doors shut with high-quality ABS latches. It has the ability to handle 8 pounds pull force, which is stronger than other latches. You can stay assured about the quality as it has been tested more than 10,000 miles and has been reported that it is the best choice as the RV catches and latches on drawers and cabinets. If you have kids or pets in your home, the chances of risks get higher when the drawers or cabinets open up automatically. However, with this affordable cabinet latch, you can add safety to all the rooms. You can stay assured that your cabinets or drawers will not open up and prevent your kids and pets from any dangerous accident. You will find everything that you require for easy installation. The package includes 24 mounting screws and requires an electric drill for the installation. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.